Hey guys, it's me, Epic is here, man. Today we're gonna be checking out this amazing new update.
Hey!
Huh?
What the fuck? Get on me! Hey! Get back here! Get back here! What are you doing? What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be checking out this update that probably doesn't have much with my friend Phil. What's up, Phil?
Hi.
Yeah, so in this update they added some stuff I don't really know. I did buy the new item.
What is that?
Bro, what? that looks terrible, dude. Look, they got the pill deal, but we got a boomerang. Oh my god, it's returning! Oh my god! Oh yeah, and then there's also this conveniently placed item that Bill probably set here, and it does, well, let's go test it out. Alright, so, we got this thing, and basically what you're supposed to do with it, let's say your friend's drowning. I'm gonna be the drowning friend. Oh my god, I need help! Oh my god, I need a lifesaver! Oh my god, I can swim over here to get it! Why isn't it working? And then your friend drowns because you threw it the wrong way. So you find this new item not on the tech web, but it's actually over here. Voice crack, whoa. Look at this. You can put it on your back and now you're floating on water. Well, let's see if it works on this one. I don't think it's working. I'll be real, I don't think it's working.
It is working.
Oh my god! Whee! Oh god! I'm dead. Put me back in my body. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep dying. Alright, so what gear are we gonna need? We're gonna need nothing because there's no new monsters. We're going to Creative Studios. Whoa, that's monkey. Look, monkey. Ew.
What?
It says it up there. Hi. I think it's just a mug, Phil.
Oh, look at that picture, man.
Which picture? Bruh. What's going on, man? What's going on in the picture? We got some Doritos, we got some pickle chips, we got some pumpkin crunch, some pumpkin crunch. But we're not here to focus on food. We're here to check out the studio. Let's check out stage 1. Whoa. Perfect color. Tracking markers. Oh my god. This is Phil, I can't. Oh my god, I was under for so long. I couldn't see shit. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I guess it's just mainly for thumbnails, but let's get to the next one. Which I like the design of this one. It's pretty cool. I like the little houses.
I could be Godzilla.
Yeah, you're Godzilla, wait. Oh my god, you really fired the fireball! Let's go to the next studio. Studio or stage 3. Oh, bro, I totally don't recognize this. It's not like this was used in the intro. Bad news.
Oh, it's bad news.
Hey, Phil, go over there and report on some bad news, man.
Bad news is, there's no more peanut butter in the cabinets.
Oh, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
toenail clippings.
Stage 4. Oh, what is this, actually? I've not seen this. Podcast. We got Merca. This statue looks so fucking stupid, man. You know, what should our podcast be about? Say something, bro. I like your face. Like the direction I'm looking at right now. It's creepy, man. You gotta say something, bro. You're starting off the podcast.
You is like, you is green.
Stage 6. Really, stage 6 is closed, but stage 7 is open. Okay, I swear this is Kai Cenat's streaming room. I've seen his clips, and this looks exactly like it, bro. But it's all fake.
I have not watched Kai Cenat.
I don't watch streamers, man, but I've seen his clips, bro, and this looks exactly like his room. I'll put an image up on screen if I can find one, but this looks like his room. So you hear that the peanut butter went extinct?
Yeah, they went. I blame the tortoise, man. I blame them.
Right. You don't understand, bro. It's like the fucking aliens, man. They beamed that shit out of here because that shit was.
Oh man, no, they're here for the revenge.
No, you gotta understand me right now. It is the aliens. They beamed that shit into space to take it because it was too good.
The tortoise hates us because we've been pouring straws in there and plastic.
No, you don't understand. The plastic is a gift. The plastic is a gift. Just because it kills like a few million of them doesn't mean it's not a gift from us to them. Right?
I identify as a turtle.
Hey. Wait, so you've been stealing the fucking peanut butter. You've been stealing the peanut butter. You've been stealing the peanut butter. You've been stealing the peanut butter. I'm gonna get fucking gun and kill you. I'm gonna get gun and kill you. Hey.
Why is so fast?
Get over here.
Yeah, guys, chat, man. I'm really good at this game, man. You're like,
I hate this guy's cameraman. He sucks.
Look, man. Look, man. Come
Wait,
on,
you ain't even doing anything. It's just a still image. Yo, chat. You know what? He's a fucking idiot. Whoa! Oh, jeepers! Oh, zoinks! Oh my god! I gotta go back. Oh god, I'm sorry, I wanna live. Oh my god. Is he there? Oh my god, he almost see me. What's he pulling out? Okay. I gotta make a break for it. Oh my god! Oh. Your parents, they hurt me! Why would you do that? That was my 102-month-old kid! Hey man, stop that shit! You're a bitch, you're not welcome here! I'm a big ass lifesaver, like the candy. I'm just sitting on the street. You can't do nothing to me. Hey, hey, no! Oh my God! Hey, stay away from my house. This is my house, bro. This is my house, bro. Get up.
Oh, man.